Both SendPulse and Mailblaze are email marketing platforms that can help you create, send, and track email campaigns. But which one is right for you? Let's break down their features, pricing, and usability to help you decide. SendPulse offers email marketing, SMS marketing, web push notifications, a CRM, and marketing automation. It boasts features like AI-powered content optimization and landing page creation. Mailblaze focuses primarily on email marketing, with a drag-and-drop builder, pre-designed templates, and basic automation features. SendPulse has a free plan for up to 500 subscribers, with paid plans starting at $6.40 per month. Mailblaze provides a free trial for up to 1,000 subscribers, with paid plans starting at $8 per month. SendPulse offers a comprehensive interface with a wide range of features. It has a steeper learning curve for beginners. Mailblaze prioritizes a user-friendly interface with a focus on simplicity. This makes it easier for beginners to get started. What I really like about Mailblaze is that it has a very intuitive user interface and affordable prices, which makes it perfect for beginners. So, which tool is right for you? For beginners with a small budget, Mailblaze is a great starting point with its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing. For businesses that need marketing automation and CRM tools, SendPulse offers a more comprehensive suite of features. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try out both platforms with their free trials. See which interface feels more comfortable and which features best suit your email marketing needs. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try both SendPulse and Mailblaze for free.